show you how to use AI in the development of smart contracts at Klever. So, to begin with, um, let's start by installing the project here. I'm going to start by pasting that on my terminal, which is going to clone the repository using Git. And then we're going to need to install the dependencies using the pnpm. And then copy the env file. And also install the Klever SDK, which is going to be needed to deploy the contract, and also build the project. We are going to use Cloud Code. You can use the VS Code, like using the GitHub Copilot extension, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code. I'm going to open the MCP on the VS Code here. That's our last step for Cloud Code, so it's only needed in Cloud Code. I'm gonna paste that path here on the mcp.json file, and then we are good to go. I'm gonna create a new folder called mcp.tutorial. I'm gonna open that here on the VS Code too, and then I'm gonna open the terminal. And to run the MCP with Cloud Code, we are going to pass the path of the MCP here. So you're gonna need to pass the path. You can find that using the pwd command. And now I'm gonna list the MCPs connected. You can see that it's connected, so it's running. And I'm gonna use natural language for that. So create a smart contract using Klever knowledge. Hello world smart contract. Smart contract. Yeah. Okay. He's gonna carry the examples and use the function Klever project function to initialize the project. So as we can see, the project is initialized. You can see the Rust code and all the scripts. So he's already writing the hello world code here, and you can see the functions, the view function, all the endpoints. And now we are going to deploy the contract. Oh, we are going to build the contract. Build the contract. The MCP is going to use the build command. Oh, a script. It's compiling the code. Yeah, the build is done. As we can see, the hello world WASM is already here. Now it's ready for deployment. We can write deploy that contract on testnet. Yeah, as you can see, the deployment is done. We can search for that transaction on Klever scan. Oh, I need to testnet Klever scan. As you can see, success, and the contract is already live here. No transactions for now. We can call the get greeting endpoint too, so the view. So carry the greeting. Yeah, you can see it's already decoded. So hello world. And that's it. Thank you.